Good morning. Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Again, it feels like it's been a minute, but I just filmed a sit down video recently, so it hasn't been that long for me. Not sure when this video is going up, but potentially for you. But today, we're taking down all our Halloween stuff. It's coming down. And we're gonna be putting up Christmas. So I think I'm gonna do this in two parts. One, taking down, two, putting up. It's kind of just everywhere. I need to just deep clean and like refresh this space because it's just all a mess. Like, hold on. Giant pile of clothes where my Christmas tree is planning on being. So, yeah, we just need to clean. We need to, what is stuck to, see, there's like, we need to just clean up and clear out the space. So with that being said, come along, let's do it. I'm excited. It's time for Christmas. I want to talk about something for a sec that was an unexpected twist in all of this. Breaking down of decorations that I did not anticipate. So in a year, our lease is up on this place. Less than. I think our lease is up in September. It's a really weird concept for me that for the first time in my life, I have genuinely no idea where I'm going to be living in a year. Like, actually terrifying. So putting these like decorations away, I don't know where I'm going to be putting them up in a year, and that's really scary for some reason. I don't know why. Obviously, like, it's not like I'm not gonna have the decorations, it's not like I'm not gonna have a place to be living. I just genuinely don't know where that's gonna be, and that's really kind of giving me anxiety that I really didn't expect with putting away decorations. So yeah, that's fun. Putting them away knowing that they're literally not coming out in this place again. Yeah, I just thought I'd share that just in case anyone else ever experiences that. If you're renting from a place and you only have a certain time in that amount of place that you're living. I really love this new space. I love what it's provided me, and I'm just, I think, gonna be sad to leave it. That was my ankle cracking if you heard that. But yeah, I randomly had that feeling. So yeah, that was weird. Thought I'd share. Hi friends. Same spot. Many hours later. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was working, then took a very solid nap. And yeah, we're pretty much back where we've begun. So my main thing that I would love to do today, because it would significantly increase my life joy and happiness, would be to put away all of that, because then I can access the corner where my tree is going to go, move the books that I've read this year over. It's all a domino effect, you know what I mean? So, also, I'm going very strong presidential founding father today, I've realized. I'm so tired. But yeah, that's, I think, gonna be the plan for right now. Let's do it.